Gedin lamka Daily News tar nga March sang ni som ni panga nilai ni ngai tha le entu zo si chibai simto pa khoi bai phe Churchanpur District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee in Tuni March tarik nga sang isom ni panga jingkalam da puapat in DC Office Conference Hall Mini Secretariat munin meeting anei we Z meeting hi Alfred Kangam S Arthur MP Lok Sabha Scan Outer Manipur to piak na noya bol a hi na kigian na chulet meeting hi Alfred Kangam S Arthur MP Lok Sabha Scan Outer Manipur in Amapuya Darun Kumar SIAS DC Churchanpur Thangboy Gangte Additional DC Churchanpur le Churchanpur District Apat Bungzagin Balte MLA 56 Thanlon Let Zamang Haukip MLA 57 Henglep LM Khaute MLA 58 Churchanpur le Chinlunthang MLA 60 Singat Apat Palai Tia Pangwe Meeting huna Alfred Kangam S Arthur MP Lok Sabha Scan Outer Manipur in a holim na chun government in Lamchum Chuma Dan the mall a bol te za bol piak ding a hi dan agena Churchanpur District Sunga Department chum ten amau Department State Government dan to kitu ka en kai ding in le chil na bol here chule CMO le Medical Department General Education Department JEO PHCD le Department chum mapatin report ngai thak na le nei here meeting sunga hin district level officer DLO 10 amau Department Chief accept do te PowerPoint presentation mangin et sakna nei we tuni tarik nga March sang isom ni pangani in ZSP Library cum Study Center Zogal Hall Zowiang muna ZSP General Headquarters saina in SSC Free Coaching Foundation course patina hi zibai guna coaching honna Reverend Nengkhanlal Milun Divisional Superintendent Lamka East MELC nanea til khona le pathian kinga pau chapik na le nei hi Zia coaching azilai na pang mi za le som pani te le IDPS te pat mi som ni Zia coaching program hin aki enroll in class shift ni in aki khian o hi shift khat hi dak thum mapat dak le minute som thum shift ni hi dak nga pat dak buk le minute som thum chana hi zil til tu ding te hiu le Sir Haumin Thang AAO Advisor ZSP General Headquarter Sir Haupu Education Secretary ZSP General Headquarter Miss Moy Sir Mexte hiding a hill
ke ka hi le pinik lian zo Vice President External zo sang nau pang po pi General Headquarter ka hiya tu ni ZSP SSC Free Coaching 2025 Foundation course pen hi honna anakinaya tu amina tungtona tami foundation course hi hathum sung ki boli hiya tu amina teacher thumlang kian ge sin tuale registration a applicant zale sombang hi tel thei a hi tuale tami SSC free coaching a hi le registration man ngen kiladi hi bana IDP ti ading in hi 50% discount na kibol pin laya tuale zong IDP zong mi som thumlang te hi mi coaching zal zo thei nang tel thei hi tuale tami coaching in tup le doi pe na hi le tu tung mei tei gali nei na tung ton wa nu le pa tampi chimo bei dong tuale school nau pang tampi coaching kai thei lo sum le pai nei lo ja boy na tu tampi te hi ZSP General Headquarter in to ate zo she khol na ta hi where we sell day le mun tom ZSP ngai na tu te ku nga hi donation chengkhat chengning pei khom te ta hi tami coaching ki bola maba na zong tami coaching hathum di hi na tung to na ZSP te ngai na tami coaching launching na dinga hi ki phalta donation ei lo le stationery material tu te area zong hi ZSP General Headquarter in kot ki hong pi jeng hi pai nge
tuni tarik nga March sang ni som ni pangani in Singat Education Committee SEC le Chinlunthang MLA 60 Singat constituency panlak na in Singat lekim viala school teacher tezo sian one day teachers orientation program loting takin anei wa hi Zi program topic te hile National Education Policy 2020 Classroom Management Child Psychology Micro Teaching Skill and Lesson Plan te hi Zi program Chinlunthang MLA 60 Singat constituency in tugian na ne ya MLA tingzopa Singat exam center nei ding aboi pi masak pe na hidan again bana mabana Singat college chan sakte te ding atuk pi pen te la ka khat hidan again here Chule Singat Education hoi takabol dok ding le Singat khomi be philawa district tang ten le Singat jilna lama mun pi pe na hung et theina ding o panna satakala poimo asak bana zigula hung theina ding le teaching quality sim hoi sem a hi theina ding teachers orientation kisai a hi tin le again here
and dreams we have to continue that is why we are organizing each year not only here even in Sangaikot we are organizing it every year after what we organize here today by next week I may be organizing again in Sangaikot area with the high school teachers so Singat is famed or known to have produced lots of bankers lots of army officers IRS IPS IAS and there happened to be a gap and that gap we are trying to link up in this time each year to bring a quality student out what we feel and what we need according to modern education policy is to train the teacher schools are as we know let me repeat an temple of learning
Lamka Kusunga District Administration le Police in Garo accident na kim na ding panalak zinglain ni sin to bangin accident thu yeti na umzinga je to kitonin tu ni tarik nga March sang ni som ni panga sunung lamin Tata Sumo khat tinggang phai khalai lamthang lamin na accident here Himale wang phat takaku ma thi le liam lo dan ni na kigen here Sule tu ni mama in bolero kang khat sinzo le tuibai ke kala tuk si tuk dani na kigena himale thi le liam bang ma hi thilo hi in mi pi hi ding atu so bol na achun acheta mei sang ni som ni pathuma Manipur pat mei te ten tha chimit ding in infal copy sunga ko ki zo cha te zo si gam sa tha in ei thatu nu mei chapang khan chom ni lo in ei la thatu hi mei te to cheng khom thei ka hi ta pu tin ku kinam pin kilung tu takin India dan to ki to ka separate administration le union territory with legislature ila don wa hi Kukiten kilung tuk taka political demand ibolo separate administration imu masang o kisan phal nga mapan kila jingding ahin SA mu masang si galban ki koi thalo ding ahi separate administration hi kukichaten kilung tuk tak kidel ko mahi to kitonin kutabang CSO thunoi organization SOO hi hanla mimal hitale kukite political separate administration demand chungthu a solution bang ma ki mulowa government to chamna siama umle capital punishment ki peding ko man UK ne thiam lo chan thei lo dinga hi ti na to sona wa chun atak langwa hi Cookie Student Organization General Headquarter Pat Lun sei to thang secretary KSO standing committee into so bol na chon district in le branch tina KSO taking a his sak nuam a hile ahung tung ding March tarik som panga sang ni som ni panga ni le KSO general headquarter apui tu thak ketel na churchan pur muna ding a hi zi to kitona ko hitale candidate num ten March tarik nga pat tarik som pani chana nomination form laka ke nominate the in tin withdrawal of candidacy hile tarik som pathum March sang ni som ni panga scrutiny ni ding a hile tarik som pali March hintin kitial ni tarik som panga March sang ni som ni panga hi ding a hi chule nomination form a hile cheng sang khata ka kam how keep contact number 8414810071 KSO member standing committee kingala thei ding a hi alak na ding mun a hile KSO general headquarter KIM secretariat lamka le tonghen kipgen chairman KSO standing committee contact number 9862712478 kinga Cedar Hills office kangpok piala thaidinga hi tin thusona chun atak lang hi Government of Manipur Office of the Commissioner Churchan Purapat TH Mangminthang Gangte Assistant Commissioner to DC Churchan Purin Thuso Bolna Achon Residential Skill Training Program for cabin crew le ground staff Air India le Indigo a candidate tezo si online interview chu ahung tungding March tarik guksang ni som ni panga ahun dak som amun VC room DC office mini secretariat complex tuibung Churchan Pura ding a hi zi kachun candidate amasa pangkhalote khan online interview namun ahun natung chi ding in kahun hi sak a hi Zihun ahin Sri Paul Haukip DM DIT in VC room le apoi mo dang te boy piding a hi tin thusona chun atak lang hi ZSF General Headquarter in tuni tarik nga March sang ni som ni panga jingka lamda bulakimin Jingthian moi le anu Kolkata Medical Ophthalmological Treatment Building Aizol zone ki pandok chu thak dok na ni wi ZSF chun Jingthian moi kiet kolna dinga pan la tu te sum le pai tho tu te le Indian Army India Cares le District Administration te chungin ki pa thu punga chun Jingthian moi le dam tak ahung ki le ki theina dingin doi sakna le alano hi The Pathway School Nerumark Renkaya teachership na ong hi subject lak ding te hi le Computer Science a postcard minimum qualification hi le BSc Computer Science or Bachelor of Computer Application le graduate with PG Diploma in Computers or DCA le C++ a het na nei a hi lo le Z to ki bat pi computer a thiam na nei hi ding a hi chule mathematics a postcard minimum qualification a hi le BSc in Mathematics or Physics hintin desirable a hi le diet or B a thi ding a hi ku hi ta le lunglut na nei te le tit na nei ten ngai ven the in tin interview ni ding a hi le March tarik guksang ni som ni panga sunung da som pani le kim makipat ni tak lam da ni le kim chan hi ding a hi candidates ten zini hi le class 10 12 graduate mark sheet le professional qualification choi ngai ding a hi Churchanpur police station in his sakna thuso bolna chun tuni tarik nga March sang ni som ni panga kipat kal khat sung SDC BSF 10 firing nei ding hi zikun je firing hun sunga hin ko hitale firing range lama bak bel hi lo le gan chate tha zalian lo phot ding in hi sakna khong bol uiti na thusona wa chun ta lang hi Manipur Valley Based Civil Organization Federation of Civil Society FOCS in March tarik gi sang ni som ni panga Hill District alam zot na nei ding in thupona bol chu Kukizo Village Volunteer Eastern Zone in FOCS te thupon chu ki pom theilo ding a hi tin thupona bol oi Kukizo Village Volunteer Eastern Zone thupon in again biana achun separate administration le Union Territory akimu ma se Kukizo te namuna free movement theilo ding a hi tin again here Kukizo cha te mi zat ki tha nong le gen theina le hak sapna simsian lo ke thuk nunga nampu a chamna ki bol theilo ding a hi Kukizo cha te ding a separate administration hi political aspiration chau hilowa Kukizo cha te bit le muanga theina dinga apoi mo pian le a hi ati March tarik giat chau hilowa separate administration ki mu masanga mimal hin ku organization hele Kukizo te na hunglut hi chun achung o thil tungbang bangmo ki pung dingwa hi tin information and publicity village volunteer Eastern Zone chun he sakna bol hi.
Looking for a fresh new look? Or just a break from the everyday hustle? Welcome to Get In Lanka Unisex Salon, where style meets relaxation. Whether it's a stylish haircut, a soothing spa, or a refreshing facial, we've got you covered. Get pampered by our experts in a space that's all about you. Step in stressed. Walk out confident. Get In Lanka Unisex Salon, your go-to for style and self-care. Book your appointment today and feel the difference.
Tuni direct nga Mart sang ni som ni panga zingka lamdak som ni kimin YP Durgas Beng social work ne in Durgas Beng Relief Center veranda le an huan na in chung si pu phat na le than kung ding plywood at na nei wa hi social work atom nga ya kun nunga tangwa le wal upati G Kamsiam treasurer le ti khamwan ding caretaker YP Durgas Beng ten mapuin hun masa na tang sep na in Durgas Beng Relief Center veranda le an huan na in chung sim phat na nei wa hi na tang na sep ni na in YPA Durgas Beng storeroom than kung ding plywood machine at na rong nu na le than kung sim na nei wa hi YPA Durgas Beng in tunia social work akon bitom ngai te chunga ki pak thu ge na nei in adika Durgas Beng Relief Center veranda an huan na in chung si khu phatna dinga concern authority DC le SDO te kianga ahun che sa poimo dan he sakle official dot thimale pi ka umlo le lem chang theinai lo a hi laya relief center veranda an hun na inchung khuna dinga poimo Silpolin Petu Rural Women Upliftment Society RWUS relief team te chonga ki pak thu gen na nei wa hi tuni March tarik nga sang ni som ni panganin India, Northeast State, Assam, Meghalaya le Manipur linling 5.7 magnitude le 4.1 magnitude hard hit in hi. Zi linling hizingkal dak som pakhat le minute gukvel in. We report in Infal East District a hit in ma chule lam ka kosung in le hit in hi. Chule Assam le Meghalaya State le linling hi hit in hi. Da kal khat vel zo sonung dak som pani le minute som ni velin Manipur Kamjong district linling hetin hi zia linling ziakin Wangjing Lamding Thobal district school building bang succeed in ma ji school ti lo thil dang ki ha succeed he ding poi chule linling ziaka state danga thil succeed he poi tuni sonung dak thum laking ding velin Thangboi Singson Bantung bunga munchu ke salbung khosunga electric main line asiam nan electric in amana district hospital to thimale ake subkhak na thuk zolowin ale hin khu alabe tai ti thu hiat hi thu aki hiat danin tuni khosunga electric asiam na thakon na zigula wangsit na hi tu khin ne ki gen hi ama hi electric department asiam hilowin tom nga ya khosung thakon na tuk sit tu khin ki gen hi chule ama hi tu le tu in ke salbunga aji cha te to khosa hin ne ki gen hi Tunia dinga Getin Lamka Daily News ngai thak thei le ye theu ji chan hi ngai tha le ente zo si nom le mangpha